Alright, I'm going to go over how to adjust your color schemes with the Sensica theme. So it's pretty easy to start adjusting link colors and backgrounds. All this is controlled via WordPress's theme customizer. How to get there is by visiting your site, logging in, and while you're visiting the actual page side, not the dashboard, you can just hover over your title and you'll see this customize option. Once you click that, it'll bring up a nice menu like this, and you can start adjusting things like background colors and font colors. One thing I want to point out is if you're in the dashboard and you hover over, you won't get those options. You need to actually be visiting the site to get the option. So let's customize our site. So we've kind of broken it into two main sections to make it a little easier to digest. We have background colors and font colors. So it's mainly top to bottom. So you start at the header would be at the very top, and I'm just highlighting it to show you how these show up, and then you can choose the different color pickers to adjust it as you need. And the nice thing about this is if you want, you can save and publish it, or you can cancel it and it'll revert back to the default. If you have selected a color and you accidentally click save and publish, the nice thing you can do is select that color again and just click default, and it'll automatically put it back to its original value that you can save and publish that. So there's things like header, background color, navigation color, for instance. That's just what you see when you hover over these icons, and it goes all the way down. Then under font colors, we have the default body font color. I'm going to make that a really bright red so you can see that, and the navigation font color as well, etc. Default link colors. So our recommendation would just be to start playing around with this, and if you need to change the colors, it should be very straightforward and easy for you to do so for most of these main features. Of course, the keys are you can always revert back to the default if you want. So don't worry about messing anything up too much. Adjust it as you need. That is the theme customizer.